Hello, dear students. This is the second part of the chapter Life in the Deserts. In the previous video, we discussed about the Sahara Desert, that is hot desert. And today we are going to discuss about the cold desert, Ladakh. It is situated in India. Ladakh. First of all, we should know the word meaning of Ladakh. It is made up of two words. La, La means mountain pass, and Dak mean country. So Ladakh, this is the country of mountain pass, means the place of mountain passes, Ladakh. It is a cold desert lying in the great Himalayas on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. The Karakoram range in the north and the Jaskar mountains in the south enclose it. Several rivers flow through Ladakh, Indus being the most important among them. The rivers from deep valleys and gorges. Several glaciers are found in Ladakh, for example, the Gangri Glacier. The altitude in Ladakh varies from about 3000 meter in Kargil. So in Kargil, the altitude is or the height is 3000 meter. This is average height. To more than 8000 meter in the Karakoram range. Due to its high altitude, the climate is extremely cold and dry. So this is the main reason, the cold climate of this area, because it is of high altitude. The air at the altitude is so thin that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. The day temperatures in summer are just above 0 degree and the night temperatures well below minus 30 degrees Celsius. It is freezing cold in the winters when the temperatures may remain below minus 40 degrees Celsius for most of the time. Here, Dras, one of the coldest inhabited places on earth, is located in Ladakh. Dras, where the winter temperature in the nights may be minus 45 degrees Celsius. As it lies in the rain shadow of the Himalayas, there is little rainfall. It means there is scarcity of water, as low as 10 centimeter every year. So the rainfall, average rainfall 10 centimeter every year, per year. The area experiences freezing winds and burning hot sunlight. You'll be surprised to know that if you sit in the sun with your feet in the shade, you may suffer from both sunstroke and frostbite at the same time. So this is unique feature of this kind of climate. Ladakh is also known as Khapa Chan, which means snow land. So you have to remember one more thing, the Chiru or the Tibetan antelope. This is the animal found here, is an endangered species. It is hunted for its wool known as shahtush, which is light in weight and extremely warm. So it is very good quality of wool. See this map again, the location of Ladakh here. This is the area of Ladakh range completely in Jammu and Kashmir. Now these are two territories, union territories. Ladakh is separate union territory and Jammu and Kashmir separate union territory. Now the next topic is flora and fauna. What kind of flora and fauna are found here? Means animals and plant species. Due to high aridity, the vegetation is sparse. There are scanty patches of grasses and shrubs from animals to graze. Groves of willows and poplars are seen in the valleys. Poplars are very important plants or trees which are providing the raw materials for different industries. And willows, you know that willows provide the wood by which or the cricket bats made up of willows wood, right? So finest quality of cricket bats are made up of willows wood. During the summers, fruit trees such as apples, apricots, and walnuts bloom. Several species of birds are sighted in Ladakh: robins, red starts, Tibetan snowcock, raven, and hoopoe are common. Some of these are migratory birds. The animals of Ladakh are wild goats, wild sheep, yak, and special kinds of dogs found here. The animals are reared to provide for the milk, meat, and hides. So, these kinds of animals provide different useful things to the people. Yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter. The hair of the sheep and goat is used to make woolens or wool clothes. Now, the people, do you find any resemblance between the people of Ladakh and the inhabitants of Tibet and Central Asia? The people here are either Muslims or Buddhists. In fact, several Buddhist monasteries dot the Ladakhi landscape with their traditional gompas. Some famous monasteries are Hemis, Tikse, She, and Lamayuru. These are very famous monasteries. In the summer season, the people are busy cultivating barley, potatoes, peas, beans, and turnip. So, dear students, you have to remember, in summer season, people grow barley, potatoes, peas, beans, and turnip. The climate in winter months is so harsh that people keep themselves engaged in festivities and ceremonies because at that time growing crops is not possible. The women are very hardworking. They work not only in the house and fields but also manage small business and shops. If you go there, you can see many women sitting in the shops. Leh, the capital of Ladakh, is well connected both by road and air. The national highway means NH1A connects Leh to Kashmir Valley through the Jojila Pass. Manali Leh Highway crosses four passes. Manali Leh Highway, it is the one of the highest national highways, crosses four passes: Rotangla, Baralacha La, Lungalasha La, and Tanglang La. Tanglang La. The highway opens only between July and September, means July, August, and September, only for 3 months when snow is cleared from the road. The rest of the months, approximately, it is closed because of snow falling. Next, what is the main occupation of the people? Tourism is a major activity with several tourists streaming in form within India and abroad. Visits to the Gompas, treks to see the meadows and glaciers. Witnessing ceremonies and festivities are important activities. Life of people is undergoing change due to modernization. Although the traditional people are there in most of the areas, you can see figure 10.6, Ladakhi women in traditional dress, but the people are becoming modernized. The people of Ladakh have over the centuries learned to live in balance and harmony with nature. Due to scarcity of resources like water, fuel, they are used with reverence and care. So the people are very careful while using the resources. Nothing is discarded or wasted. So dear students, in this way we have discussed about the Ladakh. It is cold desert.